Hello everyone. So this is what we're going to make today. 3D geometric logo design number 2 using Adobe Illustrator. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and set the alarm for my latest video. Then let's get started. Okay, so I opened a new Adobe Illustrator document. So let me choose my rectangle tool. And I'm gonna set my fill color to none, and then stroke color in black. And let me set my stroke weight to the finest, the lightest line. Okay, so let me draw one rectangle, wide and very skinny one, like that. Okay, and we're gonna need to have 7 of those. So hold down the Option, keep pressing your mouse button, and keep pressing your Shift key, and drag. So we have 2. So I'm gonna repeat it. Hold down the Command key and D. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7. Select all. I'm gonna group them. Okay, now in your toolbox, choose the rotate tool, double click, and we're gonna rotate 60-degree angle and copy, not OK, copy. So we have a second group. Now change your tool to reflect tool, double click, and on the vertical axis we're gonna copy. We have 3 groups. Okay, now select this, the very first group. I'm gonna move this up to that point, but let me zoom in. When you overlap it, make sure we're creating is kind of the star shape like this. You see that? So let me zoom out. Okay, so we're gonna need to use this shape in the middle. Okay, now select all, Command A. Now change your tool to a shape builder and set your fill color to black. Okay, now I'm going to combine the link from this piece to the next, like that, and to there, and keep going just like that. Okay, now go to there, drag it, from there, like that, like that, there, and there. So we are almost done. So you see that there are the 3 blocks. So let me zoom in. I'm going to combine these little triangles by dragging. I'm still using the this shape builder tool. Just keep adding, keep adding, keep adding by dragging. We're almost there. I believe this is the last piece. Yep, so I think we are almost done. So let me select everything first and let me ungroup them. deselect. I'm gonna choose the blocks only. I keep holding the shift key, and let me change my stroke color to none. Okay, and put this aside. Let me get rid of all these lines. I'm gonna put this back. Okay, so we're almost there. So let me select this one. I'm gonna set this first block as a kind of a yellow and the reddish, green and blue. So no stroke color, just a fill color in yellow. And my second block on the other side, let me choose the orange and that red. I want to make it a little bit darker. Okay, now green block. Green, a little bit darker. And darkest green, I want to make it even darker than that. So let me add some more black. Okay, now that. Really light blue. And light blue. And dark blue. Alright, so we are all set. Okay, and then let me draw one black square behind. So object, arrange, send to back. Okay. So I'm gonna set in the center there. And if you want, you can rotate, you can set any different angle you want. Like that. Okay, so this is the logo I showed you at the very beginning. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you can use it for your future project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.